Hey guys, if you have an electric bike with a hub engine in the front and you want to upgrade with a disc brake, then you'll probably notice that either the caliper will touch on the spokes or the disc brake will touch on the fork, and usually there is not enough space to mount these two on the wheel because usually the engine is larger than a normal wheel. So you have to do some adjustments in order to fit the disc brake on the wheel. If you have tried to install the caliper and it touches on the spokes, then you might consider upgrading the size of the disc to a 203 mm. Therefore, you'll get more space between the caliper and the spokes because you will get a longer distance from the axle to the caliper. So therefore, as you can see in this image, there is more space. First, I'm going to install the 203 mm disc on the hub engine. After I install the disc brake, there is a noise is coming from the disc brake touching the fork, so I have to take care of that. Good. Next, I'm going to install the caliper adapter on the frame. Now let's see how the wheel fits in and if it needs some adjustments or not. As you can hear, it needs some adjustments. Usually you're gonna find two types of support for the adapter on the frame. This one is called IS and there is another one called post. In my case, it's easier to customize the IS support because I will have two surfaces which I can polish, like here on these two on the adapter, and then here on these two surfaces on the support itself. Right, so now I'm gonna customize this support. Now in order to customize the adapter, you can either catch it in a vise or you can just install it upside down. So therefore you have access to this surface, polish it and then turn it over and place it as a normal. So I polish it this side, open the bolts and I'm gonna place it in the right position. If you have to polish a lot, make sure that you have enough threads for the bolts to catch in and not endanger the safety of your braking system. Now in order to final check the wheel, I'm going to tighten it as normal so I can get the accurate test. And you can see once I tighten it, it needs more adjustments. So I gotta do more adjustments. To find out where I have to polish more, I'm going to place a piece of paper between the disc brake and the adapter, and it seems like there is enough space, and the sound is coming actually from the fork. So the disc brake is touching the fork. I have to customize the fork more. Let's tighten the wheel one more time and check for the noises. The wheel spins nice and smooth, no noise. In order to make this brake a little bit more safe, I'm going to take out this little washer from this bolt, so in that way the bolt will go deeper inside the adapter. Good. Now the washer is out. Place back the bolt. Nice. The brake works properly. Alright guys, that was it. That's the real process of installing a disc brake on a homemade electric bike. Thanks for watching, subscribe and stay tuned, and I will see you next time.